of a man.
Uh-huh. Come on now.
Even so, the things of God knoweth no man.
Come on now. In essence of what the Bible is saying for a minute, let me break a minute right there with you. If you're going to be in God, you're only going to know the things of God.
Say,
That means if you are connected to God, don't pick up bacteria or people problem. Don't pick up things that don't concern God. If not, stress and problem will marry to you. And so the church today are married to problem more than God. So they can't get to hear what the Spirit is saying unto the church. Oh God Almighty, can I just eat some more notes to you? Because whenever you connected to God, you're going to speak the things of what you connected to and not the things of what's going to bother you. Oh God, can I bathe myself for me? Fix my glass back. I'm not